Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file Form 1099-K taxes step by step. First, understand what Form 1099-K is and why you received it. This form reports payments from third-party payment networks, like credit card processors or online marketplaces. You'll get one if your gross payments exceed certain thresholds, which can vary. It's crucial for accurately reporting your business income to the IRS. Next, gather all necessary documents to ensure accurate reporting. Collect every Form 1099-K you received from various payment processors. Crucially, compile all your business income and expense records, including receipts and invoices. Compare the amounts reported on your 1099-K forms with your own financial records to identify any discrepancies. This step is vital for a smooth filing process. Now, let's focus on reporting your income and claiming deductions. You'll typically report the gross income from your Form 1099-K on Schedule C, profit or loss from business. Remember to deduct all eligible business expenses, such as supplies, home office costs, and advertising, to reduce your taxable income. Keeping meticulous records of all income and expenses is essential for supporting your claims if audited. Finally, review your entire tax return thoroughly for any errors or omissions before submitting it. Accuracy is paramount to avoid potential issues with the IRS. If your tax situation is complex or you have questions, consider consulting a qualified tax professional for personalized guidance. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Filing correctly ensures peace of mind and compliance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.